Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, LED headlights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.